The best ideas are far out, but now they're also within reach. Meet the all-new Pathfinder. It's bigger. It's bolder. It's soon to be dirtier. Suddenly, that place you always meant to see is right where you're headed. The getting there part, handled, thanks to a new 9-speed automatic transmission and a powerful 3.5-liter V6. The only question for you is, did you bring enough gear? Before you know it, you'll arrive with every necessity you can get your hands on. Unloading, it's a snap with seats you can easily fold and slide, even with a child seat on board. Fold down the second and third row, and you've got loads of room. When it's time to discover what's beyond base camp, no need to avoid the rough stuff. Your Pathfinder has a terrain mode for that mission, whether you're headed for snow, sand, or a fresh coat of mud. Throttle, steering, and transmission all adjust to match the conditions, even if the trail starts to narrow. You have a high-tech spotter built right in to guide you. So feel free to explore with the all-new Pathfinder. Far out is never too far off. Road trip? No problem. You've got 3 rows in advanced tech that loves to play. That's why Pathfinder makes connecting easy. No need to search for cords. You just put your phone on the pad. Connecting is wireless too. If someone's hogging the playlist, put the music where only you can see it. Even set up the digital dash just the way you want. Navigation is seamless too. Choose Apple Maps, Google Maps Satellite View, or Waze through Apple CarPlay, or use Nissan door-to-door navigation. And you can put turn-by-turn directions right on your gauges, or right in front of you on the road ahead. In back, new second-row captain's chairs level up comfort. And advanced connectivity means you're charged and ready to go. With the all-new Pathfinder, it's easy to connect to everything that matters. To find adventure, you keep moving ahead, even in reverse. And with Standard Safety Shield 360, featuring 6 advanced driver assist technologies, Pathfinder's got your back. If it detects an obstacle in your way, it can even bring you to a stop. When it's time to venture out, the same technologies can help keep you aware of your surroundings and automatically step in if they become unpredictable. Because the thing about the unpredictable is it always comes out of nowhere. That's why you can opt for even more driver assist technologies. If a vehicle is detected in your blind spot, you'll get nudged back into your lane. Or if you begin to stray outside the lines, the Pathfinder can gently guide you back on course. Great adventure starts with greater peace of mind. Discover both in the all-new Pathfinder.